How to change the payment method on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the payment method on iPhone. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. Now enter your Apple account password for security. Then, tap on Add Payment Method. Here, enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once done, tap on Done to save your new payment method. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.